How to send videos on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. If you want to share a reel from here, go over to that reel and tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. You can choose who you want to share this reel with on TikTok. You can also choose to share this reel with friends in other platforms. Now tap on any friend as shown. Then tap on Send at the bottom. You have now successfully shared this reel with this friend on TikTok. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Inbox. Here you can view all your chats with your friends on TikTok. Now open the friend's chat you just shared the reel with to view it. Following these steps, you can easily send videos on TikTok.